Hashtag how to utilize Google Docs for collaborative environmental impact assessments. Seen asterisk a person sitting at a desk with a laptop open, showing a Google Docs document. Monologue asterisk. Hey everyone! Did you know Google Docs is a powerful tool for collaborative environmental impact assessments? It's free, accessible, and packed with features that make working with your team a breeze. First, use Docs to draft your assessment report. Everyone can edit and leave comments in real time, ensuring everyone's voice is heard. Plus, version history lets you track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. Next, leverage Docs' built-in tables and charts to visualize your data. This makes complex information easy to understand and helps identify key trends. You can even embed images and maps directly into the document for added clarity. And when it comes to sharing your findings, Docs makes it simple. Share the document with stakeholders, collaborators, and the public with just a few clicks. You can even control who can view and edit the document, ensuring everyone has the right access. So ditch the clunky spreadsheets and outdated software. Google Docs is the perfect platform for collaborative environmental impact assessments. Give it a try and see how it can streamline your workflow and empower your team.